location. Lightning can... The National Weather Service in Burlington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Conelango County in northwestern Vermont, northeastern Chittenden County in northwestern Vermont, southwestern Orleans County in northeastern Vermont, southern Franklin County in northwestern Vermont, west central Caledonia County in northeastern Vermont, until 3:45 p.m. At 2:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Underhill, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Jericho, Underhill, Westford, Morrisville, Walcott, Johnson, Eaton, Grantsbury, Greensboro, Hyde Park, Cambridge, Albany, Underhill State Park, Jeffersonville, Albany Center, North Underhill, Jericho Center, South Cambridge, Underhill Center, and North Walcott. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. It's severe thunder.